we're gonna be raking and baling some hay. We just need to air up this one tire on this side. And these knotters really need to get cleaned. We're gonna go ahead and grease up these knotters really good. There are quite a few grease fittings on this machine. It's crazy, especially in the knotters. We're gonna go ahead and start raking. About 10:45. The dew's burned off everything. Since the hay is pretty thin, it's been such a dry spring. Usually I'll just take 2 of these rows and I'll pinch 2 of them together. So my plan here is I'm gonna take the outside row and push it in, and then take these 2 outside rows and push those in together into this one row. We just finished up raking all the hay. Everything's out there in the windrows. We'll go up, drop this rake off, and then we'll go get the baler, and we'll come down and start baling everything up. Nice and square and uniform. We're not banana baling. Oh yeah, look at that. That's a pretty bale. Oh yeah.